He got his Air Jordan brand, whatever.
I'm in LA.
Run it back, don't you tap. Leave your phone, you at home. Out the way, that's where he at. He a game boy, he ain't coming back. Nah, I don't wanna leave, but I'm going on my way. And I don't wanna bleed, I don't want no heartbreak. If I gotta leave, then I'm not the one to blame. You know who to blame, baby, you should be ashamed. And I'm tired of your ways, why you tryna run game? Posing like you love me, this is not no runway.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's our third day. Why is it not focused on me? Last night, we went to some Afro Nation party. It was cool. I wasn't really a babe. Sunday morning worship.
Purchase your tracks today.
Damn, baby. No, you look better. You look fine. Hopefully I don't get too lit.
We're here at this recommended place.
This place is beautiful. Like, it's really nice. Man, like, what's it called?
Ivory on Sunset.
Ivy on Sunset. Check it out for sure. It's nice. Smooth. But, you know. Oh, I got Ray-Bans too. Don't forget that.
So I said I'm gonna
Same table.
Got the You made it look like a husband.
Got you. You want a car? You're not gonna get a Honda. I'm gonna get you a nice ass car.
I don't want a $2,000 ring.
And then you want to wet it?
I do not want a $2,000 ring.
Come on.
Returning the ring.
If you turn the ring, goodbye.
Oh shoot! Goodbye. The ring is for a lifetime, Igwe.
You can always upgrade. You want a house or car and the ring in the same day? In the same day?
I thought you loved me.
Listen, don't do that. I thought you loved me. You're gonna make me spend $30,000 on a ring? Yo, 30 racks on a ring is a down payment on a house.
Roseland, that's not funny.
No, because that's not possible. That's not financially smart. In one day, you have to get mad.
My sisters are gonna.
Bro, yo, listen, my dad doesn't even wear his wedding ring. He lost it years ago.
We've been walking around the mall in heels. It's time to freaking buy some flats because I'm not about this life. I don't know what we were thinking or what I was thinking. I didn't even know we were coming straight here. But we're in Beverly Hills Center and I need some shoes. Like, it's not happening.
Oh shit, my bad.
What's this for real?
Hey guys, I just want to check in with you all and tell you all what's going on. We're back at the Airbnb. We got some tacos from a taco truck. Now we're about to go to a day party, but I'm not gonna bring my camera because I'm tired of carrying around my camera. I know, I'm sorry. I'm just really not in the mood to carry out my camera because it's just really a hassle. So we're gonna go to the day party. I'll try to catch some footage on Gucci's phone because her phone takes good videos. So I'll try to get some footage. We're gonna go to a day party and then we're gonna come back and then change to go out for the night because we're going to a midnight brunch or whatever. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys. Don't mind my face, don't mind the flashes. We're about to go down the street to Dave's Chicken. So
Shit, that line is always.
I don't know what it's called. It's something like that. But every time we woke up and went outside, the line was busting like they were selling crack or something. So I had to search it up and figure out what the hype was about. So then I searched up their Instagram. They seem to be really popping. Have 89.6K followers, and it seems like all the foodies go there. So like, we need to try it. Like, duh. Look at it. Look at the film. Gotta quick go. Let's go. Let's go. Like, that food looks juicy.
Hurry up, baby. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Niggas just keep hauling up to this line. It just opened. It is 11:35 right now. This shit opened at 11:30. Look at the line. This shit don't make sense.
Currently in line live at Dave's. What chicken? Dave's hot chicken, something. But I'm excited. I'm gonna get the spicy. So I'm about to set a timer to see how long we actually wait in line. What's a stopwatch? To see how long we actually wait in line for this chicken. Starting now.
One tender, one slider.
Don't sleep.
I'll share with you.
Share what?
So right now we're at.
Alright, so they have a
34.
Just give me an average.
We just finished placing our order. We were in line for 33 minutes, basically.
20 minutes later.
Our food is coming! Here we are.
Yo, this shit is rocking. Shit, it's spicy. Bro, that line is still busting, bro.
Okay.
What kind of line is that? Shit is busting. We're saying, baby girl.
You chat shit.
You chat shit, you get banged. Not my love. Doo, doo. One thing I hate about this girl, she just gonna keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Does this shit all the time. You wanna walk by yourself, we'll have it. Terrible, terrible, terrible. What are you talking about? What she? Let's say I should stop talking about her. What I'm talking about?
You say I'm gonna be walking away and have a bad habit of walking away from the room.
How did I say that?
I just feel like that's what you said.
No, that's what I said. What'd I say?
I don't know.
Exactly. You be chatting.
Alright guys, so we are officially out the room and we're headed to Venice Beach.
His boy didn't get in.
To the thing yesterday. Alright, hey guys, so we finally made it to the beach. We finally hit the strip because we don't even want. What if we're about to get fruit? Let's make our hair, it's not like that.
So much for you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one. Shit, bang. What's up, bang?
Let me taste it again.
Shit, juicy. Juicy.
Which one? It's all of them. Alright. Here, those are 15. Which one's this? This? Obviously not. You just asked what the difference was.
What, show me the one. Yep, yep.
You don't like these?
They're not good then. A lot more.
There's a great basketball in your life anywhere, you know who I am. That's to anybody and everybody coming out here putting that camera on me. What's up?
What's up?
All right.
Can I play basketball out here?
That's why
He the best.
know who he is.
Called
We're all like that.
If you don't know who I am,
Yeah.
go ask every single person over there playing.
Oh
Or
yeah?
anybody else out here. Y'all the only ones that don't know what's going on out here.
What's your name out here? What do they call you?
We don't play them.
Honestly confused. Obviously he's a NBA reject. No, I did. He's obviously an NBA reject who's upset that he doesn't get any like shine.
Coach, put me in.
Put me in, I'm ready to ball up.
Don't do that. Don't do it. No.
No, that's my baby, yeah.
Like, is she okay? Are you okay, baby?
You in the game, I own my own game. I only respect them hoes that own their own thing. Young Griselda, slicing up. I ain't got a competition for my price. Hey. Heavyweight champ, Mike Tyson up. I used to be a
Mike has been taking his photography